I started hair syrup in 2020 when I was a student at the University of Warwick, and we sell a range of pre-wash hair and scalp oil treatments. I actually used to make these oils myself as a kind of little DIY hair oil thing in my student kitchen, and I made a TikTok about them off my private account a few years ago. The video went viral, and so as a result I was inundated with people asking to sample the oils. And I think it was about 6 months later, when I was still being asked for samples, I decided there was a gap in the market and I could make a business here. So obviously I've built quite a big TikTok following of over 260,000 now, and social media has had the biggest impact on the growth of my company. It's helped me to get stocked with retailers like Superdrug, ASOS, Urban Outfitters, and also listed in newspapers like the Sunday Times Style Magazine, Elle Magazine, Grazia, Business Insider. So it has literally been the key and the driving force. We do consider ourselves like a social media brand, and it's definitely been the driving force behind the success of hair syrup. I feel like I am a kind of born and bred entrepreneur. I definitely thrive under high pressured environments, and I take a lot of my personal satisfaction through achievement, and there's nothing quite as achievement driven and rewarding as starting your own business. One of the best stories I remember hearing when I was a student here at Warwick was that the woman who invented the brand Invisibobble she actually started it from her student bedroom in Warwick. And I remember thinking how cool that was, and how ironic it is that I have now gone on to also create a hair care company from my student kitchen at Warwick. I volunteer my time here because I really think it's important that students know when they're reading subjects like English that there are so many different career opportunities for them after they leave. It doesn't have to just be the traditional route of teaching or working in publishing. They can really harness that creativity and innovation and the imaginative work that they've done to help them explore all different types of areas of work.